Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the CircuPool CORE35 Salt Chlorinator system, which we believe is the best above-ground salt chlorinator on the market. If you're tired of constantly adding chlorine to your pool or dealing with the hassle of traditional pool maintenance, this is the solution you've been looking for. So, let's break down everything that makes the CircuPool CORE35 stand out. First off, let's talk about the design. This salt chlorinator comes in a revolutionary compact size that makes it incredibly easy to install yourself. The system was designed with DIY enthusiasts in mind, meaning no professional installation is required. So, if you're looking for something that saves you time and money, this is a perfect choice. Now, let's move on to the heart of this system, the USA-made titanium cell. This titanium cell is built to last, and with the industry's best 8-year limited warranty, you can be confident that you're making a solid investment. Whether you're upgrading your existing chlorinator or setting up a new system, you'll love how durable and long-lasting the CircuPool CORE35 is. And because it's a self-cleaning model, you'll spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your pool. The CircuPool CORE35 is rated for pools up to 35,000 gallons, so it's perfect for most above-ground pools. It generates a steady 1.4 pounds of chlorine per day, which is just the right amount to keep your pool water sparkling clean and safe. The system is designed with reverse polarity technology, meaning it automatically cleans the cell, ensuring optimal performance at all times. One of the standout features is its user-friendly controls. The digital display with LED indicators makes operation incredibly easy. You can monitor and adjust settings right from the touchpad. The unit also comes with winter and boost modes, which help extend its lifespan and improve chlorine output during peak swimming season. The CircuPool CORE35 is built to endure outdoor conditions. With its IP66 rated weatherproof construction, it's designed to stand up to the elements, ensuring that your system works efficiently regardless of weather changes. With its high-tech features, easy installation, and superior durability, the CircuPool CORE35 Salt Chlorinator system is the top choice for anyone looking to keep their pool clean with minimal effort. If you want a more convenient and efficient way to maintain your pool, look no further than this powerhouse. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in purchasing or learning more about the CircuPool CORE35, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a product review that could improve your life. See you in the next video.